Hello. Again, in the first video, we already simulated our solid steel plate and our spherical steel that will hit the solid steel plate by a velocity of 250, just in the middle of the span. And we need to change the material assignment for this steel plate just to be the nonlinear steel, which is steel 1600 and sorry 1006. And now we will make our update here to open our AutoDyn. So this is our AutoDyn here. We will first add our material, which is air, where the hitting object will hit through to reach the targeted object, and we just modify some parameters for the material here to add the failure. We already have the strength as a Johnson-Cock, which is a nonlinear effect. Now we will define the failure criteria as a plastic strain. We'll allow maximum strain, let's say about 5%, and we will make the element to cut off at let's say 7%. Now we'll add our new part here, which is the domain, and it will be Euler 3D multi-material. Let's take some borders outside the original steel plate as it's -15, negative. This is already the ground. But if you have this as an erased solid steel plate, you can choose whatever you want as a coordinates. But I prefer to use this as rested on ground. So Z, let's say -100. Delta X will be 1100. Delta Y 1050. Delta Z, let's be 250. And we will have the meshing here 100 each centimeter, 105 and 25 element, and air with the internal energy of 2.86 2.068 to the power 5. This is our domain now. We just need to define the interaction between the different elements and the Euler-Lagrange interaction to be sure that the forces and the stress will transfer from air to steel and vice versa. There is no need for detonations, boundaries. If you want to add some gauges, you can add gauges here. Let's say you'll add a gauge to this steel plate at 500, 500, and 0. So we'll have a gauge here. Now we just insert our cycle limits, which is very huge number, and our time limit, and then define our output. These are for saving. How do you want to save your results? Each point 0.02 milliseconds, just to have more data that you can use after that, and then you can run. We'll see it is working now, and I'll show you the final result after it finished.